From here, let's click on Company Info at the very top, and this is where we can enter in some basic settings for your company. If you have a logo, click right here, and it's going to show you that we work with images that are BMP, JPEG, or .gif, 800 by 800 pixels, and up to 300 dpi. Click right here, choose File, and we can browse on your computer to find where you have your company logo and go ahead and attach it here. This is going to allow it to show up on your orders and on your estimates. Put in your company information here, your phone number, your fax number, your email, your website here. Here under location, put in your company address. Now, when you're typing in any address in ServiceMonster, it does not matter what screen you're on, it's always the same thing. Just start typing, and once you see it in the drop down below, stop typing and just click on it. It's going to automatically link to Google Maps. Then we can go ahead and scroll down just a little bit below and see where we have where you can put in what your zip code country should be. You can enter your time code here, default tax in your area code. Also, depending on how you like to see your customers listed, so you can have first name space last name, so Joe Smith, or you can have last comma first, which is Smith comma Joe. How do you like to see them displayed? On the right hand side, we have some options here. If you pay commissions to your employees, here's where you can automatically apply them. Down below, two optional areas, require lead source. This is going to make you ask your customers how they heard about you or what brought them in today. This is going to be really beneficial when you run reports and want to know how you're getting your customers, where you're spending your marketing money the wisest. And below, require email. This is going to make you ask your customers to try and get their email address when you're creating accounts for them. This is going to be very beneficial for emailing invoices and trying to move towards a more paperless office, but also it really enables the drip campaigns and the advanced marketing tools that we're going to show you later on in the marketing webinar. So it's something we do recommend as well. And then down below under schedule interval, how far do you like to see your time blocks? Do you like to see a 15-minute time block on your schedule, or do you like to see every 30 minutes as a time block? And then click on Save to record your work.